This afternoon I'm here displaying the Smart Check application, and it's currently being in use by all members of the JCF at the traffic level. So how it works is that the officer only has to click on one of the features, which is one that I just clicked on, is the motor vehicle search. And all they have to do is to put the plate number of the vehicle into the application, click on search, and it will return all the particulars of the motor vehicle that they're querying, including the specifics of the vehicle, the registration details, insurance, fitness, and owner details. And we're able to also see an actual picture of the individual who the motor vehicle is registered to. Through this system, we've been able to issue tickets that have helped in our efficient management of our traffic situation in Jamaica. And it has also helped us to recover vehicles that are stolen and also vehicles that are not compliant with the law as it relates to their documentation. So this is Smart Check, showing you how application works for the JCF.